Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels lagging issue. First of all, open the Instagram application and tap on the profile tab at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. In the settings and activity, scroll down and look for the option data usage and media quality. Tap on it, cellular data settings will open. Here you will see that the data saver is on, due to which the videos get affected when played. Tap on the toggle button in front of the data saver option to turn it off. Also enable the toggle button in front of media upload quality, just in case if you want to increase the video quality on your device at the time of uploading. After that, close the Instagram application and open its app info. Here tap on storage and cache option. Then tap on clear cache. Most of times there are a lot of data gathered in cache, so clearing it may help. Another important thing is to keep your Instagram updated, so make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. To check for the updates, simply open the Play Store, search Instagram, and if it's not updated then tap on the update button. Once it gets updated, tap on open and use Instagram. But if the issue persists, then uninstall the Instagram application and reinstall it. By doing this, your problem will be solved. And this is how you can fix Instagram Reels lagging issue.